Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to increase sales in Shopify. So simply, if you want to increase your sales in Shopify, you have to add the link of your store and share all kind of your products and information on social media sites. Like you can upload it on Facebook, Instagram, and here are some social media sites available. So just click on 20 top social media sites. So the most people you can see available on these sites. So here you have to join the groups, make the pages, and share your products and promote your store. So in this way you can easily increase sales in Shopify. So increasing your sale, it's all based on your promotion on different social sites. So if you promote your products and store on different social sites, you can easily increase your sales in Shopify.